So we have seen this process model. Okay, so in this process model means we have seen the use of the gateways. Okay, so let's just execute this one. So what I have done, I created this project earlier, my first Camunda process, and in this one I created a user for Camunda user, demo and demo for Camunda cockpit login, and this is my process. Okay, now I am going to start this one. Okay, my service is started. Let's just go to localhost 8080, and this is the demo and demo user I created. Now let's log in. Okay, this is the Camunda UI. Okay, so for starting any process instance, okay, we can go to the task list. In our task list, we are going to see this process. This process ID is first process and name is my first process. So if I'll go to start process, you're seeing my first process and it is asking us a name. So let's say name is demo, and we can say age is 40 and the salary is 15,000. Okay, it is automatically coming. Start. Okay, our process instance is started. So if we'll see in the logs, it has printed home loan and discount with home loan. So where this execution is, our age is between 30 to 50, so it has gone to this execution. Then it look for this condition. This is our inclusive gateway. In this condition, salary is less than 15,000, 30,000. Yes, because we have provided 15,000. So it is printed println home loan. Okay, if age is between 35 to 45, yes, age we have provided as 40, so it is printing discount with the home loan. So it has printed both of these lines. So it has created two separate execution based on this condition. So suppose if we will provide age is less than 30, what it will print? Let's see. Go to start process again, my process, let's say demo again, age is 20 and salary you can provide anything. Okay, now our age is 20. So if you are going to see the logs, applicable for term plan, processing additional benefits. So it is going to this execution and there is no condition here. It is just starting these two execution, additional benefit and applicable for term plan. If we will provide age is greater than 50, it will go to this condition and it is not going to look for not going to print anything because we haven't provided any task or anything here. So how Camunda is exactly doing all this? Okay, see, in our Groovy script, this is a Groovy script. If you in your project you want to support Groovy, you need to provide additional dependency, as I have provided in this one. This one. Okay, this Groovy dependency you need, otherwise process engine will throw an error. So if you are seeing in this process execution how I am getting these fields, these form fields, name, age and salary in this script. See how it is means reaching there. If you are seeing this one, see salary, we are calling it an execution.get variable. So what is this execution? So what Camunda does, it is using a DB for everything. Okay, for keeping the processes, starting the processes and everything. We are going to see it later. But see, this execution variable is a global variable for one particular instance. When you are starting a process from here, and you're going to click on start, it is going to start a one instance of this process. You can see it in terms of Java, like this is our class and when we are clicking on the start, it is creating an object of this class. Okay, so in this object, one of this execution variable is global throughout this process. Okay, anywhere we can fetch any variable with the help of this execution variable, because it is global for the entire process instance. Okay, once it is done with the execution of this process, it is going to kill that execution variable, and this execution variable holds all the variable which we can load to our process instance. Okay, so in form fields I provided these three fields. So at the start of our execution, these fields were loaded in our execution variable. This execution variable is nothing like, it's just like a map. Okay, so we are getting the value by providing the key of the map, key in the map, right? So execution.get variable salary means whatever salary we have provided in this form field. So in that means that way Camunda does the processing.